Let's hop across to Manisha Gupta now to tell us about the commodity markets and what she's tracking there. Manisha.
Thank you for that, Sonia. Well, I'm looking at metals which are definitely on a high. There's a lot of support coming in for the sector from the way the dollar index has been behaving. From a 4.5-month highs, we've seen the prices decline by 1%, and that has been supportive. Also, the US Fed Powell statements yesterday where he said that lower policy interest rates would likely to be appropriate at some point in time in this year itself is where the gold and silver prices and metals seem to be taking a lot of support from. And then there are geopolitical tensions in Middle East. Markets still are looking at the impacts of earthquake that is in Taiwan. So tangible commodities actually are getting bought into. Also strong economic data that we saw come in from China for the month of Feb and for the month of March as well have been quite supportive. I want to take you through various metals and how they are trading at this point in time. So starting with copper, that one is at a 13-month high. It's trading very close to all-time highs in China. Aluminum has surged quite strongly. It has been an outperformer for last week or so. 13-month highs on that as well. Zinc has been jumping up 9 weeks high on that. Silver clearly has been an outperformer within the precious metal space in last couple of sessions. 26-week highs on that. And silver in last 2 days have jumped up by nearly 8%. Platinum also is trading at a 12-week highs. Actually, the way we buy gold in India is how Chinese buy platinum in sense of weddings and, rings, etc. So China's retail buying also has been on the stronger side. But the price clearly goes to gold, which has extended rally to record highs, now trading above $2,300 an ounce. When you look at the June futures there, they're trading at $23.25 right now. So there is a big contango, and you are looking at the further months actually trading much in the positive. For the Indian market, 70,000 is done now. And if you are going out, stepping out to buy 24 carats gold, adding all the taxes and everything, it comes to 72,000 per 10 grams of gold in the physical markets there. This is what we've done on a week-on-week and a month-on-month basis. So gold is gained up by 3.5% in this week, is up 10% on month. Silver outperforming with 9% of gains and 15% in last 1 month. Platinum as well continues to do well. I also want to bring in the industrial metals right now because we've seen stronger gains come in for this. In that case as well, copper, aluminum and zinc have done quite well. We've seen nearly 6 to 5% of gains on a week-on-week basis and 5 to 11% of a jump up on industrial metals in last 1 month as well. What the street will now watch out for clearly is going to be the FOMC meeting on 10th and 11th of June. But ahead of that, it is the US non-farm payroll data. Well, that comes in on Friday.